Hello guys, in this video comparison of Janhvi Kapoor versus N.T. Ramarao. Name Janhvi Kapoor, N.T. Ramarao. Date of birth 6 March 1997. NTR 20 May 1983. Birthplace John, Mumbai. NTR, Hyderabad. Nickname John. Tarak, Tiger. Qualification John, Theatre Film Institute, USA. NTR, graduate. Profession John, actor. NTR, actor. Marital status John, unmarried. NTR, married. Height John, 5.4. NTR, 5.7. Weight John, 55 kg. NTR, 78 kg. Food habit John, non-veg. NTR, non-veg. Net worth John, 82 CR. NTR, 500 CR. Hobbies John, traveling, listening music. NTR, cooking, dancing, reading. Total films John, 10 movies. NTR, 30 films. Subscribe friends.